Okay, so I've been thumping around on this arena seating and how to construct it. I've been wanting to. I've got a little pass-through tunnel set here that matches a slice of a large arena base idea. And I've moved my arena around a little bit in the Unity scene. When I had it set up, it was kind of lame and down on the beach, and it just lame. And so why not put it up on a peak? So I took the same kind of landscape structure and I stuck it on top of a peak, still close to the waterbed, but it's up high and elevated, and it's kind of a nice little walkthrough. I'll do a video for that here in a little bit. But the problem that I'm having is the arena seating setup. And I was like, this would be cool to actually add tunnels, because I had that in the mock-up inside Unity. I liked the way it was going, and it was turning me on. It was no lie, but I don't like this structure. And I think I can build this more efficiently. So what I'm going to do is let's go into my Lego kit. Let's get all that. All right, so I'm going to hide you. All right, so we can let's hide some things I don't need. I'm not going to probably ever use this floor, because that floor is what I was using as a lean here at an angle. And I'm going to do something a little different. I think I'm going to just build a bench for each floor, and then just kind of structure this the top layer, and then build a structure here. So the structure I want to do is the undercarriage. I'm going to hold shift and clone this bad boy over here. This is going to be a copy, because I don't want to mess with this one. Now I'm going to slap that into my arena parts folder so I can just hide that one. Alright, cool. Now it's a copy. I'm going to go ahead and just get this one. See, it's it's the wall piece that I built for the actual collider, which I don't need anymore. But what I am going to do is go into my side view, and I'm going to slide this over to the edge here. So that's going to be like the base pillar wall of the arena, and I may build a new one. I may use the base wall. I'm not sure yet. If I have this bin in here, I'm going to build a new wall, which is no problem. But what I want to do here, I think it's going to kind of copy something I've seen in Roman architecture, and I'm just going to put arches and stack them up. Let's do a test run like that. And then that way, all I gotta do is build the bottom part of this bench piece. And if I build layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, like this, line them up, put them all in the same pivot point, they'll snap together pretty nicely. And I can use the same arches that I already got in the engine. And since these are just for show, all I need to do is put columns here to act as colliders. And I can probably use... I don't need walls. I'll just make the tunnels work on the inside of these steps and just stack it right on top. I may need to do kind of a mounting piece wall here. That'd be in this piece here. So that's what I'm going to do. So, well, snap. And let's build this first. I think the positioning is pretty good. I'm actually going to freeze this one. And so what I'm going to do to make this all line up, these are all instances, so I should be able to just grab those, and I'm going to make a connect on this one side, and that's going to give me a marker to kind of line everything up with. Put it up a little higher. I like about there. And okay. Should probably do the same thing on this side. We'll just hit the connect. I'll have the same tools. Dude, cool. All right, so the trick is now getting these to weld together. I want the arches to show. So like this line right here will have to go up and meet there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm tempted to break the instance and make them all objects. Let's not do that yet. Let's do this. All right, and this one has to be, this is the base. So that one is going to be unique. And then these are the instances. So now what I can do here is delete those verts, those faces. And then I'm going to grab the element and move it over. And that'll allow me to kind of line this up a little bit. And now they won't all line up together, but I think I can get it to work because once these two attach, actually, I get these. Actually, once I attach this one, we'll see. I'm winging a lot of this. I don't know if you'll ever notice that. So if I go down here, it's going to go way down there, which is fine. Let's probably just go ahead and do that. And then we'll just extend it down there. Actually, yeah, it needs to fit there, though, doesn't it? It needs to be on that line right there. So it does need to kind of miss. Oh well, we can make it work. A lot of ways we can. One way we could do this is I could grab these and I can do a connect. So like what I'll do here is vertex, vertex, and then connect. Right click. And so connected over there too. Backside, front side. Sweet. I think I need to connect the other direction. No, this is fine. It's not where I want to connect. I want to connect. No, I need to connect these. Let's still connect here and put it right next to that one. That'll be better. And we'll repeat the same process here. Not there. Alright, let's see. Too many softwares. So I'm wary. I want to bring this edge all the way down to where it matches this. And so I'm going to make cuts throughout here, just basically doing this. I'll do a connect. I'll demonstrate what I'm going to do. We're going to have to stop the video before my computer crashes. Zero that out. Okay, not make it 0. My backspace key not work anymore. All right, cool. I'm gonna flatten that. Allow you over there. All right, so I can go here. I'm gonna chamfer this one. Give me a couple lines. I got mapping done on this one, but I'm just now about to start destroying it with this chamfer stuff. Oh, I know why I was doing that. Because it's an instance still. Oh, okay. I know which one I'm messing with. That's good. It's good to know what's going on. I've learned that. Alright, they're both selected too. Stop it! Goodness gracious. Cool. The Connect tool is such an awesome thing. I think it actually came from Maya. To actually give Maya some credit somewhere. So now I'm just going to move this one down here. I move this whole thing down here to that. And that means that all the vertices will have buddies. And I don't mess up too much with the UVs of the curve, just on the straight, which I think is already a mess anyway. So it all works out just fine. So what I need to do now is go over here and delete here, here, and here. Hit Alt Q. Oh, I lost my keyboard shortcut. Oops. And so that. Right, so what I'm going to do now is grab this one and attach them, which means now I can go over here and grab that, change that from borders to edges, hit bridge. Now I want to go here and I'm going to hit Control Backspace to remove that one because it's no longer needed. I don't need this one, I don't think. I'll leave it though. And then here it's just a matter of why did everything look different than when I... Oh, that's right. That's good. I need to set that one up. Okay, so let's go ahead and start welding. So I like to target weld. Go to edges. You don't have that target weld the edges you're selecting, but I like to have an edge I'm not selecting. Target welding, I mean, selected, so I can still kind of rotate the camera around that general vicinity. So if I go here, we can hit target weld. So here, let's click that, go here, hit target weld, and all you gotta do is just, are they gonna let me do it? Oh, did I have to delete a face over here? I do. Okay. Try again. Target weld. You always need to have open faces to weld. You can't weld. You can weld one vertex of faces that are lined up to each other, like the normals are matching, and then the others will not weld, and it will give you a very interesting lighting and shading solution. Interesting meaning bad. It's bad. Right. So I'm going to fix the rest of these, and I'll do some other cleanups to make it all nice and neat. But that's what I'm working on for the next little bit. I like this, and then the next step is to stop the steps.